If you are in a wreck and the other driver asked to just settle the damage with cash instead of getting the insurance companies involved, is this generally a good idea or a bad idea?
Yeah, this is a really good question, and it's not quite as simple as I mean, I guess the general answer is no. Don't just settle with the person because you don't know who that person is. You don't know if you can trust them. You don't know if they say that they'll repair the damage and then they may just bail on you and not do that. And I've seen many situations like that. First of all, I tell you, no matter what the situation is, call the police, whether there's an injury or not. Call the police. Have the document, or have the accident documented, and as far as like if you want to pursue the other person, or the other person says, look, don't get my insurance company involved, let me just take care of it, and if it's only a property damage situation, you may want to do that. I will tell you, my daughter was in an accident about 5 years ago. She actually caused it. She rear-ended a kid that actually went to her high school. The dad, or my daughter called me, and the other kid called his dad. We went up there, and I didn't get my insurance company involved. It was about $800. We settled up without getting insurance involved. But again, we knew the people, and so if it's someone that you don't know, don't trust. But if there's an injury involved, I don't care if you know them or not. If there's an injury involved, you need to file a claim with the insurance company. Because it becomes a lot more complicated, and statute of limitations, and how bad the injury is. So just use your judgment. But again, typically no. Yeah. But if it's a $100 bumper or something like that, then sure. But if there's an injury or if severe damage, absolutely not. Always, I would go through the insurance company.
And will the police even respond and say, like, someone hit you at the mall parking lot?
No.
It's private property. Like,
they'll respond.
Will they even give you documentation to note that there was an accident?
A lot of times they will respond, and they will help you exchange accident information or information on the other driver, what we call the pink card. Where the information of the other person, their address, their name, their number, their insurance company. But if it's on private property, typically they will not draw up an accident report, and so we see that a lot. We had a horrible accident that happened at a local store recently, or about a year ago, and there's no accident report, even though it's a tragic, horrible injury. But if it's on private property, typically there's not going to be an accident report.